Good morning, everyone. Today we will start Chapter 9 Forests and Wildlife of India. In this lesson, we will learn about types of forests, wildlife, conservation of forest. So, students, you take out your book, Chapter 9, and go through your book. Now, let's start. First, we will know what is forest. Large areas where trees grow on their own very close to each other under natural conditions are called forests. It means प्राकृतिक परिस्थितियों में पेड़ पौधे जो अपने आप उग जाते हैं, बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के पास रहते हैं, उसे जंगल कहा जाता है. It takes thousands of years for these trees to grow and form a forest. जंगल बनने में हजारों साल लग जाते हैं. Trees, shrubs, creepers, flowers and grasses which grow on their own are called natural vegetation. जंगल में जो पेड़, झाड़ीदार पौधे, लता, फूल, घास अपने आप उग जाते हैं, इन सब को प्राकृतिक वनस्पति कहा जाता है. वाइल्ड लाइफ means जंगली जीवन includes both plants and animals found in the forest. The plants of a particular region are called flora and animals of the region are called fauna. Those plants which found in a particular region of the forest are called flora, and in particular region of the forest where animals are found is called fauna. Our country has many types of forests. The climate and terrain affect the vegetation too. But we have only 1/5 of our total land area under forest. For a balanced environment, it should be 1/3. Most of our forests are found in hilly and plateau regions. They are our national wealth. It means हमारे देश में बहुत तरह के जंगल पाए जाते हैं. वहाँ का क्लाइमेट और लैंड जो है वो वेजिटेशन को यानी वनस्पति को प्रभावित करता है. हमारे पास हमारे लैंड का केवल 1/5 भाग ही जंगल है. हमारे बैलेंस एनवायरनमेंट के लिए इसको 1/3 होना चाहिए. Most of our forests are found in hilly and plateau regions. ज़्यादा जो जंगल का भाग है वो पहाड़ी एरिया में और प्लेट्यू रीजन्स इट मीन्स कि पठार वाले क्षेत्रों में है. दे आर आवर नेशनल वेल्थ. ये सब हमारे प्राकृतिक संपदा हैं. नाउ वी विल नो टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इन इंडिया. देयर आर 5 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इन इंडिया. Evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny forest, tidal forest, coniferous forest. First we will know evergreen forests. As the name suggests, these kinds of forests remain green throughout the year. It means these forests remain throughout the year, remain green. The trees never shed their leaves fully and simultaneously. It means धीरे धीरे, gradually. इसके पत्ते जो है वो धीरे धीरे झड़ते हैं. सारे पत्ते कभी नहीं झड़ते. Thus these are always green. They are found in the hot and wet regions of our country. These forests are very dense. The slopes of the Western Ghats and the hills of northeastern India are full of evergreen forest. The trees in the evergreen forest are tall and have a broad canopy at the top. It means in evergreen forest the trees are tall and at the top it makes shade. एक छायादार वृक्ष के जैसा होता है। द वुड ऑफ दिस ट्रीज इज हार्ड एंड वैल्यूएबल, इसकी लकड़ी मजबूत होती है और कीमती होती है। एबोनी, महोगनी एंड रोजवुड आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एवरग्रीन ट्रीज। Deciduous forest. The trees in this forest shed their leaves in the summer season. The main trees found in the deciduous forest are sal, sesame, and teak. Wood of these trees is used for making furniture. It is also used as building material. It means इन जंगलों का जो पेड़ होता है उसके पत्ते गर्मियों में झड़ जाते हैं, गर्मी के सीजन में झड़ता है। द मेन ट्रीज फाउंड इन द डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट आर साल, सीसम एंड टीक. Wood of these trees is used for making furniture. It is also used as building material. You will find these forests in the northern plains, southern plateaus and along the foothills of the Himalayas. Now, thorny forest. Trees in the thorny forest have thorns and long roots. Thorny means कांटेदार वृक्ष. They can live without water for a long time. The thorny forests are found in Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Common trees of thorny forests are babul, cactus and kikar. Coniferous forests. Coniferous forests are found in the higher Himalayan mountains and parts of the Nilgiri hills. Coniferous trees are tall and pointed and have needle-shaped leaves. It means its shape of leaves are needle-shaped, सुई के समान, सुई के आकार के जैसा होता है. These trees bear cones. ये जो ट्रीज हैं ये कोन बनाते हैं. The main trees in this forest are cheer, deodar, fir and spruce. The pulp of these trees is used for making paper. इन पेड़ों का छाल जो होता है उससे पेपर बनाया जाता है. These trees also yield resin and turpentine oil. इन पेड़ों से रेजिन और टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल भी प्राप्त किया जाता है. टाइडल फॉरेस्ट. टाइडल फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन द डेल्टाज ऑफ द गंगा, महानदी एंड गोदावरी. A tree called Sundari is found in the Ganga Delta. So, the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is called the Sundar Bans. Mangrove trees are the prominent trees of the tidal forests. Mangrove trees are the prominent trees of the tidal forest. It means in the tidal forest, mangrove trees are found. Thank you, children. Now, next part of this lesson, remaining part of this lesson, we will know tomorrow. Thank you.